How to enter promo code on SHEIN. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to enter promo code on SHEIN. First, open the SHEIN app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the back icon in the bottom menu to view your selected items. Now choose the product you want to purchase and tap on Checkout. On the checkout page, tap on Apply Voucher, then enter your discount code into the provided field. After entering the code, tap Apply to activate the discount on your order. If you also want to use a gift card, tap on Gift Card. Enter the card number and PIN in the respective fields, and then tap Apply. Once everything is applied, the discount will reflect in your total, and you can proceed to complete your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.